Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Allianz how to change payment method. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To update your payment method using the Allianz mobile app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your My Allianz or Allianz mobile application, and then once you are inside, be sure to be logged into using your credentials to access your Allianz account. Then once logged in, locate and select payment or payment details section. Then to change your card, simply click on change card and then enter your new card details and confirm the changes. Your updated card information will be reflected immediately. In order to change your bank details from direct debit, simply select direct debit details, update your bank account information and confirm the changes. Then your updated bank details will be used for future payments. Then once done, review your new payment details to ensure accuracy, and lastly save the updated information and exit the payment section. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.